What's up, guys? I'm here with Brandon today. We're at Stan Bennett to crush some legs. We're gonna add some torque behind those wheels because summer's around the corner and you don't want to be that guy that skips leg day. Let's go. No.
See that? Yeah. I just do what I do. See me? I just do what I do. Yo, check. Let me flip.
If you ain't limping out of the leg extension machine, you ain't lifting enough weight.
No, the moment is mine, need no omen or sign.
Warm it up.
To all the squares that ask around, we ain't at it. My skills pay me. Trying to get a million GP with an adapted flow that God gave me.
Wait.
This spot is temporary till I take it as mine. I'm selfish. Yo, look, tell Miss I'm on my wealth kit. So when we cash out soon, I'm just invested.
For all your haters, always calling us out. You skip leg day. You guys ever do leg? Fuck you guys. And I do a whole lot of legs.
I just do what I do.
Good.
There you go.
Go. Hold it down. Come on. There you go.
Listen to this rhyming exhibition. I'm something you ain't seen like a honest politician.
Let's go. Pass the one more. One, let's go. Pass the 1 hour. Go. That's right. What's up, baby?
My offspring's forever. I flow it right better than any. I'm the hottest, and trust me, that's not being conceited. That's being modest. I'm being honest. Hot with my collar. School of hard knocks. I graduated with honors. I just do what I do. I just do what I do.
What do you got in the tank, Howard? Come on. Leave that shit on that. Right here. Come on. Every fucking rep. I want to be fucking average. Better ask yourself that question. And this is at the end. After everything else is done, this is at the end of the workout.
I don't know about you. I just do what I do. I just do what I do. See me? I just do what I do.
There you go.
I just do what I do.
All the way
I
through.
don't know about you. I just do what I do.
Dude, that's... Fuck, bro. What did I do? Relax.
This is relaxed. It's hard when you have a big beefy ass dude all up on your ass.